Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back. Today we'll start with a topic of maths called mensuration. What is mensuration basically? Mensuration is when we deal with the measurements of different quadrilaterals or triangles. Now, here we mainly deal with two topics. One is the area and the other is the perimeter. We know what is a quadrilateral first of all. Yes, definitely we know it. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Be it a square whose all sides are equal, or be it a rectangle whose opposite sides are equal. Now this is a square and this is a rectangle. In this square, all sides are equal. In this rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. That is, this is L, this is L, this is breadth, and this is breadth. Now, coming back to the previous topic, what is area? Area is a space that is enclosed by any figure, the area which is inside any figure. And what is perimeter? Perimeter is the border. When we start from one point and come back to the other point, what is the total length? This is called as the perimeter. Suppose I name the square like A, B, C, D. If I start from A, move towards B, from B to C, C to D and back to A, this total length which I have covered is called as the perimeter. Now I think I made my point clear. Area is a space that is enclosed within the figure, while the perimeter is when I move from one point on the outer surface and come back to that same point after moving the complete boundary. This is called as the perimeter. Okay, I'm going to start with square. I told you what is a square. Square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. Now what is the area? As I told you earlier, area is a space that is enclosed within the square. So area is, if I take these all sides as S and S, it is side into side. Now comes the point, what is the unit of area? Suppose the side is in meter, so the unit of area is meter square, or we can write like square meter. Now perimeter. Now what is perimeter? I told you perimeter is the outer boundary, total of all the sides. So it is side plus side plus side plus side. So it makes 4S, that is 4 into side. The unit of perimeter is always the same as the unit of the side. If a side is in meter, so perimeter is in meters, but area is in meter square. Now what is a diagonal? When we inside the quadrilateral, when we touch one border to the other, one point to A, like this is named like A, B, C, D. A line drawn inside the quadrilateral from D to B or A to C is called as the diagonal. We have a formula for diagonal also. The length of the diagonal is equal to square root into side. What is the length of the diagonal? It is square root into whatever the length of the side is given. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about rectangle. I told you what is a rectangle. It is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal. Now what is the area of the rectangle? If this is L, then this is also L. If this is B, then this is also B. What is the area of the rectangle? It is L into B, that is length into breadth, and the units will be the same. If both of them are in the same units, then only they will be multiplied. If both of them are in meters, then the unit of area is meter square or square meter. Now what is the perimeter of the rectangle? The perimeter of the rectangle will be L plus B plus again L plus again B if we come back to the same point. So it makes 2L plus 2B. Hence the perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. And as told you earlier, the perimeter units will be the same as the length units, be in meters. Okay, now we come to the diagonal. Now what is a diagonal? Diagonal, I told you, it is inside the figure drawn from the opposite points. Like it is diagonal AC or diagonal BD. The formula for diagonal is square root L square plus B square, and the units are meter. And the unit will be meter. Thank you so much. Hope I made the points very clear. In the next video, we'll solve some problems. Okay, bye.